In today's digital world, ranking on Google can feel like shouting into a void, especially in competitive industries. Trying to stand out in a sea of competitors? You're not alone. Many businesses struggle to gain visibility in saturated markets where everyone is fighting for the top spot. This intense competition makes it incredibly difficult to capture organic traffic and reach potential customers effectively. But what if I told you there's a proven strategy to not just compete, but win, even in the most challenging niches? Meet our hypothetical client, a local service provider that faced this exact challenge. They had a great product, but their website was buried deep in search results, struggling to attract organic traffic. Their website suffered from low performance, limited market exposure, and a lack of website engagement, relying heavily on expensive advertising. They also contended with low domain authority, poor content quality, and a high spam score, all while facing high SEO competition from other businesses in their city. To overcome these challenges, a comprehensive SEO strategy was implemented, designed to tackle each obstacle systematically. First, we focused on long-tail keywords, specific phrases that strike a balance between reasonable search volume and low competition. This involved identifying keywords with clear search intent, ensuring we targeted users actively looking for their specific services. Next, we developed high-quality content that directly addressed the needs and interests of the target audience. This included creating comprehensive articles and guides that fully answered user questions and incorporated semantic keywords naturally. We then implemented technical SEO improvements to ensure the website was fast, mobile-friendly, and easy for search engines to crawl. This involved fixing crawling issues, properly indexing web pages in Google, and leveraging structured data for new knowledge graph entries. Finally, we built high-quality backlinks from authoritative sources to increase the website's domain authority and trustworthiness. The results were remarkable. Within a 6-month time frame, organic traffic increased by 150% and keyword rankings improved significantly. Website impressions increased from 373,000 to 621,000, showcasing a substantial boost in visibility. The number of keywords ranking organically almost doubled, increasing from 6,911 to 13,748 keywords. These improvements led to a 40% increase in leads and a 25% increase in sales, demonstrating a direct impact on revenue. The enhanced visibility, targeted traffic, and improved user experience significantly boosted the website's conversion rates. Crucially, this SEO success lessened their reliance on expensive paid advertising, optimizing their marketing budget. So, what are the key lessons from this SEO case study? First, focus on identifying and targeting low competition, high-value keywords aligned with user search intent. Second, create high-quality content that provides value and benefits to the end user, establishing authority. Third, optimize your website's technical SEO to ensure it is fast, mobile-friendly, and easy to crawl for search engines. Finally, build high-quality backlinks from authoritative sources to increase your website's domain authority and trustworthiness. By implementing these strategies, you too can achieve success in even the most competitive niches. Apply these actionable tips to your own SEO efforts and unlock your business's full online potential.